George. Why are you leaving? Why are you going and living at your home? What if I never see you again? We just became friends. See, you know what? You should have just stayed living with fucking Evan instead of just going home like a loser and a stupid bitch. You should have just stayed here. And you know what? Maybe sometimes I don't want to come and hang out with you and Evan and Emily. And you know, you just make me feel bad because you say, no, I want to fucking hang out with you. And so I go and I'm like, okay, well maybe I'll go then. And yeah, I have fun, but maybe before I didn't want to go. Maybe you should just consider me and consider the fact that I don't want to go. But now I can't even have that decision if I want to go because you're fucking gone. And now you're gone forever and you're not going to be here anymore. Love, Lindsay.